Now, from your weather authority, Chief Meteorologist Wayne Hart.
Well, for a couple of nice days, we have some much cooler weather on the way for the next 2 days. And in the process, we have this weakening line of storms to deal with tonight. A pretty typical scenario that we see ourselves in here quite a bit in the springtime when we have these severe storms firing during the heat of the day over the plains, Mississippi Valley, and then we get the leftovers at night, but in a weakening fashion. But we're still under a severe storm alert here, at least for the next few hours. The severe weather window has opened now in our northwestern corner, where a slight risk level 2 threat continues, and that marginal risk does get a little deeper into the tri-state. Could go as late as 3 a.m., but my guess is this threat's going to play out a little faster than that. And the main concern here will just be some pockets of damaging wind and plenty of warmth for these storms to work off of. Highs today were in the mid to upper 70s, even an 80 in Madisonville. It was even warmer than that in St. Louis, where the storms have already rolled through. But there is the line on live first warning Doppler radar pushing now into Flora, Illinois, and just about into the northwestern corner of Wayne County. We have severe thunderstorm watches that have been in effect just off to our west, and we've had some warnings at times along this line, but none within the last 30 minutes. So it is weakening, but we still can't rule out the possibility of some pockets of damaging wind. And again, you can see that leading edge pushing into Flora right now. Should be into western Wayne County here in about another 15 minutes, but probably not down here into the Evansville metro until well after midnight. There are the severe thunderstorm watches, and not expecting a watch for the tri-state. There's the main line of storms, and all the widespread warnings are in southern Missouri, back into Arkansas, lower Mississippi Valley, and those are going to dive to our southeast. The line that we're going to deal with is right there, and it really hasn't had many warnings on it within the last 30 to 45 minutes. And as we head into the overnight hours, the air will become more stable, and this line should weaken even more. So not a big concern, but that threat for a little damaging wind is still there for a while. Live view from Henderson, that's our Heads Construction Tower camera. Downtown Evansville, our Zemer view there, looking down on the riverfront, and what's been a nice, breezy, comfortable evening. The temperature still 70, winds out of the south at 14, and most of the area about 65 to 70. When the rain hits, it'll just knock us back into the upper 50s to around 60. So kind of a warm night here for April. The big severe weather threat's been down in eastern Oklahoma. They were under a moderate level 4 threat there, including the city of Tulsa. Severe weather threat goes all the way from East Texas up into southern Illinois, but the main focus overnight is going to be a little farther to the south here. But we will certainly get some rain out of this line. How much remains to be seen in terms of how quickly this line weakens as it moves on in. There's the Storm Prediction Center, has not changed that marginal to slight risk any. But I think for most of us, this will just be a marginal threat, and mainly, I think, west of the Wabash. Future Tracker really slows things down. It still has everything northwest at midnight, kind of shoots everything more to the north in the next couple of hours, and doesn't bring it into the metro until well after midnight. I think that's a little too slow, but we'll see this gradually overspread the tri-state in a weakening fashion. Wake up to scattered showers in the morning, temperatures in the upper 50s to around 60. Those showers will diminish some as we head into the afternoon, but just like on Saturday, if a little sun comes out, we could see some thunder showers pop, producing some small hail and maybe a cold air funnel. That's not out of the question. Like we saw on Saturday, not expecting tornadoes, but these cold air funnels that you see in this type of scenario, it's a possibility, but not likely. Otherwise, we're looking at a windy and much cooler day, upper 50s to lower 60s. And those scattered showers continue tomorrow night with temperatures into the upper 40s by daybreak Thursday. And the new data lingering that rain a little longer through Thursday, along with the clouds. The scattered showers gradually diminish later in the afternoon, maybe a little clearing late in the day, kind of like Sunday when we had that clearing coming in late in the afternoon, but certainly some nicer weather on the way for Friday. Rainfall amounts, well, it could vary anywhere from maybe a ½ inch in our southeastern counties to, well, the new run just came in. It's a lot lighter than it was indicating earlier, but I think that's a little bit optimistic. I think we could see upwards of an inch, maybe an inch and a half in parts of the area. But Friday, hopefully we get those clouds out of here. Again, Future Tracker a little more pessimistic. All the other guidance is painting a sunnier day for Friday, but the weakening line of storms coming in overnight, 56 to 62. Showers, a few thunder showers tomorrow, maybe a little bit of small hail. Windy, much cooler, upper 50s to lower 60s. 7-day forecast, clouds, scattered showers on Thursday, slowly diminishing, maybe a little clearing late. A windy, chilly 60 degrees, becoming mostly sunny Friday, 69 Saturday, the nicer weekend day, increasing clouds, and 77 Sunday. Still a weather aware day. today. Showers and thunderstorms developing. 77. We catch a break and then some more rain and thunder on Tuesday. But the chances for a little bit of severe weather here in the next few hours. I'll be sticking around in the Weather Center until that threat has ended, Brad and Shelley.
All right. Thank you.